For my last technology, I am choosing to use GarageBand. The reason I'm using GarageBand is because it integrates nicely with the other technologies that we have. So with GarageBand, I can import the files that we've created, and I can actually add loops, which is kind of common for GarageBand, and a lot of people know. What I actually really want to use GarageBand for, though, is to allow the students to make a podcast and have the students' podcast actually be posted on iTunes. So there is a process to doing it, but through here, we can add our instruments at the bottom and we can put our voice over it. And then when I hit click, the podcast begins recording, and as you can see, my voice is moving. And this will allow the students to keep a record that they can share with their friends and their family, mainly their family, uh, about what they're learning in class. They could also potentially use it to record their own playing and post that on iTunes and make their own little thing, like class projects and class compositions. This is just a really good way to this is a really good way to have students showcase their work so that people in class can see. And then, of course, there is all of the audio clipping and audio working that you can work with GarageBand. One kind of cool thing that I thought a project you could do, you can actually create a track, and then using that track, you can create if I click it, you can actually create it as a ringtone, and students could create their own ringtones for their smartphones, which is also a kind of unique idea to use where they compose their own ringtone. So this is GarageBand, and this is my last technology. And if you look at the notes that are coming up, you will see how I would use GarageBand in a classroom. Thank you very much.